Just got a call that I'm on avail for a commercial. Remember, on avail means that the director likes you, the client likes you, the advertising agency likes you, and everyone wants to make sure that you're available to do the commercial. So they put you on avail. Being on avail is the proverbial limbo in the commercial actor's life. Yeah, will you get it? Yeah, will you not get it? Yeah, I might get it. Yeah, I might not get it. So it's like almost money. Like I almost have the job. Like you can't pay the landlord with almost rent. You can't pay the grocery bill with almost credit card. Like, nah, that's not how it go. Anyway, I'm waiting. We'll see. I'll keep you posted though. At that callback that I'm on the avail for, I bumped into my man Antoine Perry. AP is a cat that I know from hanging around LA town taking acting classes. He's done stuff for Taco Bell and Buick and Hulu. All around great guy. And clearly we're the same type. Wait, hold on. Let me put on my Antoine Perry glasses. Wait. Yeah, there you go. We good now. And since we saw each other at the callback yesterday, he texted me today like, hey yo, you hear anything about that avail, son? Nah, I haven't heard anything. And he's like, cause I'm on avail too, so I ain't hear nothing today either. And I was looking at my phone like, with like 3 eye emojis. So like, yeah, nah, this is a thing that we go through. We be looking on the phone like, please ring, please ring, please ring, please ring. And that's why you gotta just live your life and just let it go. Do your thing in the room and put it down and let it go. Otherwise, you'll be sitting here like,